Looking to check the battery health of your Samsung phone? You're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of checking your phone's battery health. Let's dive in. First, ensure to install the Samsung Members app from the Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it. Next, tap to the diagnostic section in the app. After that, log in using your Samsung ID. If you don't have an account yet, you can create a new one. Tap on the phone diagnostics option. Scroll down until you reach the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on battery status. Wait a moment for the information to load. After a short pause, you will see your battery status displayed. The status should read as normal, indicating your battery is in good shape. Additionally, you will also see information about your battery life and capacity. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. See you in the next video!